Hi friends, welcome back to my channel DI Tech Creator. Today's in this video I am going to show how to convert your normal smartphone camera into the night vision camera. So let's watch the full video. You can see this is a Samsung J7 Pro. So this camera I will convert to the night vision camera. So let's watch the full video. Guys, you can see this is a CCTV camera. You can see this is CP Plus. So for night vision, you need this LED, infrared IR LED. So now open. I will. You can see this also. Friends, subscribe this channel and click on the bell icon for notification. You can see 11.32 volt. And so this is a 12 volt power supplier. You can see. So now friend, we can save on the night mode. So I will switch off the light. Now there is totally dark. So only camera can detect the IR light. So you can see. Now I am opening the camera. You can see. Only camera can detect the infrared LED light. You can see. Thank you friends for watching. Like, comment and share. And don't forget to subscribe this channel.